All right, here we go. So looks like this model does come with the remote control. So you got different modes here: fan speed, timer, light, little simple remote control. It is a Type-C power cable, so that is a plus. That means it is an upgraded model. And you get plenty of power cable length as well, so that's a plus. You got a manual in here. Let's go ahead and check out the device itself, and we'll explain to you guys how this can work as a air cooler. Concept is very simple. Oh wow, check out that fan. That's a big fan. On the front here, it looks like it is adjustable, so you can, blow up or down. You have multiple settings on the front buttons here. There is a strap here for carrying. On the top here, you twist and pop this open, and this is your reservoir tank. You're gonna put water inside here. There is a drain filter down here, drain plug, so you just pull out that drain plug if you want to, drain the water from the bottom. Overall, looks pretty simple, pretty standard. It says, please use output 5 volt 1.5 adapter. Any adapter with output below 1.5 may cause malfunction. Yeah, so all the settings on your remote is on here as well. So let's explain this a little bit for those who don't understand. So basically you put water in here, and the water, there's like a radiator inside here. If you can see past the fan, there's like a honeycomb, it's black. We're gonna go ahead and plug this into a USB port. By the way, you can use a power bank, so keep that in mind. A power bank, so this can be portable. This can be taken camping or anywhere else. So this is a solar power bank. All we have to do, plug this in. Now, if you guys saw, it blinked a bunch of lights on here. All right, guys, so once you have it plugged in, there's gonna be a little red light on. Press and hold the fan button, which is right above the red light, and it starts turning on. I mean, even just without it, that's actually pretty cold. That's interesting. So you have all these different colors for the light, and you can turn the light off or you can turn it on for different colors. There's different modes and different setups for the colors as well. You can actually stop it at one color. Let's go ahead and try out the remote here. All right, so the remote works good on and off. What? We had that on low. So I'm gonna be quiet, let you guys hear it on low. Now we're gonna go to medium. Now high. Wow, even just without water in it, it's actually cold. I mean, woo! I'm serious, guys. Like, I'm not kidding around. That's actually cold. So yeah, you can adjust where the air blows. Wow. So we're gonna keep it on high. Well, let's turn it off. So you press and hold the power button on here, or just use your remote. We're gonna go fill this up with water and see any difference. All right, guys, we are back. We got water in here. So here we go. We just used regular water. We didn't put any ice or anything in, so make sure you don't fill it too full. All right. Let's see here. So we'll let it run, and we'll see if it gets any cooler. I will keep you guys updated. So the nice thing is, the water goes through and the bottom of the tank, so you can drain it then. So we'll see. So guys, I do want to point out that where you see the icon of a cloud, let's see, you can actually turn that on. You can have the natural wind. You can have it on 10 seconds on, 5 seconds off. Okay, so there's a couple of settings you have here. Yeah, so okay, so we're gonna press it. Oh, I see. Okay, so yeah, what it does is it sprays, and let's see if we can show you guys. All right, so what it does when you select, so right now this is off. When you select it, can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it. In the back, it's spraying water down. It looks like it's either behind the fan or in front. So it's like a little mist. You don't really feel it because it's evaporating. Ah. So it's actually puts the mist in the air, which makes it cooler. That is interesting. So if you, let's check this mode here. So this other mode where it's lit up on the right side. Okay, so, oh. That makes sense. On 10 seconds, off 5 seconds. That makes complete sense. So on the first one, it just continuously sprays non-stop. On the second one, it's on for 10 seconds, off for 10 seconds, on for 10 seconds, and it just keeps repeating. I mean, it's definitely cool. The air is definitely cool. I mean, guys, it feels cooler. Either way, no matter what, it's definitely cold air. I mean, it's definitely blowing cold air. It's actually pretty impressive. I actually do like this a lot. So it gets a Scott pass from me. And I love the colors. At nighttime, having this on in our office is gonna look pretty cool.